Hello everyone, it's me Shifa from CubixSol. Welcome again for our next YouTube series. I know you guys are very excited for the topic. So today we are going to break down one of the most common decisions you will face when you're starting a web project. Choosing between Laravel and WordPress, both of these platforms are incredible, we all know that. But they in a way two different approaches. So the goal of this lecture is to convey you to give proper clear framework, so you need to know how exactly which one fits your specific needs. So now, without wasting any more time, let's go for the main topic. So basically, are you building a website or are you building an application? They are not really competitors. These are one of the points that we are going to discuss in this kind of slide. To start off, let's look at the fundamental questions you need to know. First of all, are you building a standard website or are you building a custom application? A common misconception in web development is that WordPress and Laravel are direct competitors. In reality, they are designed to solve entirely different problems. Understanding the distinction right between the beginning is the single most important step in making the right technical calls for your project. Now coming to the point, here you can see our clearly a comparison of WordPress and Laravel. As on the left we have WordPress, and WordPress is a content management system, and on the left we have this Laravel is modern with PHP web application framework. So in WordPress, it's built for fast website development, relies heavily on themes and plugins, and ideal for the content-driven websites. So if you look on the right side, Laravel is modern PHP web application framework built from ground up for the custom web applications, offering developer full flexibility, complete control, and the structure needed to handle complex business logic. So in the very simple way, the WordPress helps to build faster websites, and Laravel helps you to build the deeper websites. Now, so when we are going to reach for the WordPress, you should choose WordPress, which your main goal is to speed up the marketing, managing content effortlessly. Let's look at the primary use cases when WordPress excels. So here we have some factors. For example, business websites. You can get a professional corporate presence live in days rather than months. Like a blog and publishing, it remained the most popular CMS on the planet for content creators. E-commerce stores powered by WooCommerce, it runs millions of online storefronts. So if we go portfolio marketing sites, you get beautiful layouts, marketing pages with zero coding required. When it comes to the membership sites, existing blogs, plugins easily manage user subscription and restricted content. In short, WordPress allows you to launch faster, manage content easily, and extend your site features, use pre-built plugin, custom themes, or APIs. So, now coming to the Laravel, choose Laravel when your idea needs custom logic like these. So these are the factors that is written, in which you have SaaS platforms, custom marketing place, book engines, API-driven platforms, complex dashboard, and business apps. So if we go into deeper in that, so when you need custom multi-tenant architecture, complex billing systems, you will go for the SaaS platforms. You always go for the Laravel. In custom market or booking engines, projects that require unique workflows, custom databases, relationships, specific business rules, API-driven platforms that obviously need backends for mobile applications, or microservices that need clean, high-performance, RESTful APIs. When it comes to the complex dashboard business app, we know that it should relate to the data-heavy applications where you need to full control over every line of backend of code. So with Laravel, you build exactly what your business needs without being limited by pre-existing CMS constraints. Now, the right tool depends on the right problem. So we always just go for the trends. We always looking up to the what is in trend. Let's use that. But we never look over problem, that what it exactly is. To summarize, the trade-off, it comes down to the speed versus flex. WordPress gives you faster development, easy content management, lower initial complexity, massive ecosystem of plugin and themes. And on the other side, Laravel gives you the total custom functionality, clean architecture for complex business logic, support for unique workflows, and long-term scalability. So the main takeaway is that the question isn't which tool is universally better. It's which tool is right about your specific problem. Never choose technology simply because it's popular, because you choose it because everyone uses. Always choose according to your problem, according to your requirement, choose that tool. So now We already come to the last slide. So which one you choose? This is most important question. In the end, I always give choose WordPress when you need to launch a content-focused business website quickly with the minimum development overhead. And choose Laravel when you're building a custom platform, like kind of web applications with some kind of complex logic, workflows, and long-term scalability, like these kind of things. And always remember, the best technology is never the most complex one. It's always that fits your project. Understand your problem, choose the right technology, knows your requirements, make your websites more good, more boost jobs. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this video helps you pick the right tool for your next project. And if you have any kind of question, just drop down in the comment section. Click the like button if you like the video, and we will back with another series with another topic. Thank you.